In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Forex Sessions indicator on TradingView. If you trade currency pairs, understanding when the Asian, London, and New York markets are active can dramatically improve your timing. The Forex Sessions indicator overlays those market windows on your chart so you can quickly spot when activity tends to rise and when conditions may be quieter. Let's walk through how to add it and make sure it displays correctly. First, open the chart view of the stock or Forex pair you want to analyze on TradingView. Any symbol is fine for this setup, and you can use the time frame that suits your strategy. Once your chart is open, look near the top left of the chart area for the Indicators button on the main toolbar and click it. This opens the search panel where you can find and add tools to your chart. In the search bar, type Forex Sessions or FX Market Sessions. You'll see results that highlight indicators designed to show session blocks. Click the one you want to add, and it will immediately load onto your chart. You should now see colored background bands or shaded regions that mark each major session, often with clear labels. This makes it easy to spot overlap periods, like the London-New York crossover, when volatility and volume often increase. The indicator will remain on your chart layout as you switch symbols or time frames, so it's ready whenever you need it. If nothing appears, or the sessions don't line up as expected, open the indicator settings to configure it properly. Click the indicator's name on your chart or in the list, then choose Settings. Start by checking the time zone. Session times are calculated from it, so aligning the indicator to your chart's time zone is key. Review the start and end times for each session and adjust them if needed to match your preferred market hours. You can also tweak colors and opacity so the shading is visible without overwhelming your candles, and turn labels or specific sessions on or off to reduce clutter. If lower time frames feel crowded, use the visibility options in the settings to control which resolutions display the overlay. When you're done, apply the changes and confirm the session blocks line up with the hours you expect relative to your local clock. That's all there is to it. With the Forex Sessions indicator in place and configured correctly, your chart will instantly show when markets are most active, helping you plan entries, exits, and risk with better context. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.